Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Renee and this is Voguish Beauty. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. OMG. Can't really see it because of the crazy holographic on it, but oh my god, it's gorgeous. I just love how gorgeous this is. Okay. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. So first, we're gonna swatch Wish. Then I'm gonna swatch Unicorn. Ooh, oh my god. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Magic. Very holographic. So then Ethereal, I don't know how to say that word. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of Sunshine. And then Rico. So these are them up close. Super cute. So I don't know which one I want to wear today. Purple is my favorite color, so I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna do purple. I'll probably do like Unicorn and Ethereal. I'm gonna go in with those two. I also got her brush, the A23 brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's her highlighting brush. I love, ooh, if I could get out. I love highlighting brushes like this, because I feel like it gives me more control over my highlight, and you know, I get a little OD with the highlights, so I need a little bit of control. So I'm gonna take Unicorn. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, so I'm gonna put the Ethereal on top. OMG, that is blinding. Oh my god, this is the bomb. Sis, this was worth the $45. You can purchase this at Ulta Beauty or Sephora. And oh, I'm pretty sure you can purchase it off of her website as well. And I am so in love with this. Like, usually I wear my trophy wife. I love my golds, but this is definitely something I'm glad I invested in. So get you one because you're gonna love it. Like, now I forget, I was told that there are two colors in here that you want to avoid putting on your eyes and on your lips. I don't remember what two colors those were, but just to know, I'm pretty sure it's the ones that are a little bit more loose in pigment, like you don't have a lot of control over. They're like really not patchy, but they're not as, I don't want to bite myself in the foot, but they're not you'll see, like when you swatch it, you don't have as much control over those ones. The ones I guess you don't have as much control over when swatching, they have a little bit more like fallout. Those ones you don't want to put on your eyes or your lips. And it's 2 of them in here. I can't really remember which 2, but yeah, definitely glad I got this. That glow is just everything. Yes. So I want to play with the palette just a little bit more, and I think I'm going to try more of the colors. So I'm going to take Wish and just kind of layer it. Jizzle. That's a highlight. That is insane. That's a little blinding, like, even for me. Okay, yeah, that's insane. So, yeah, that's insane. So, I'm going to take a little bit of Unicorn. Okay, I feel like this is the one I already have on. So, let's do Magic on my nose. That pigment is so insane. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Sunshine. And a little bit of Ethereal. I think that's how you say it. Ethereal. Okay, like this is literally insane. I'm like really in awe of this. I was not expecting it to be like this. This glow is insane. I'm just really impressed. Like I honestly don't even get my hopes up with stuff, but like I don't know, like I'm really in awe of this right now. This is definitely something that I'm glad I got. Very, very, very impressed. And it's fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my very next video. And most importantly, have a Voguish day, beauties.